Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 GK. First, what is extinct animals? Extinct animals are those species which are no longer living. This group includes prehistoric animals like dinosaurs and ice age mammals as well as modern species like the dodo. So it means extinct animals are those animals which are not survive on the earth. They are extinct uh, any year before. So such type of animal like dodo, cave lion, cave deer, dinosaurs. There are so many animal species are extinct nowadays. So discuss here one by one with the help of figure. First figure, cave lion, CAVE, cave LION, cave lion. Second, cave deer, CAVE, cave BEAR, bear. Third, woolly rhinoceros, WOOLLY, woolly rhinoceros, RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. Next figure, Asiatic cheetah, ASIATIC, Asiatic cheetah, CHEETAH, Asiatic cheetah. Figure E, Pyrenean ibex, PYRENEN, Pyrenean ibex, IBEX. Pyrenean ibex related to deer family. F, passenger pigeon, PASSENGER, passenger pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon. G figure show Carolina parakeet, CAROLINA, Carolina parakeet, PARAKEET. Parakeet, the figure of G. And H, California grizzly bear, figure number H, California grizzly bear, CALIFORNIA, California grizzly, GRIZZLY, grizzly bear, BEAR, bear. Figure I, woolly mammoth, WOLLY, mammoth, MAMMOTH, woolly mammoth. J, sabre-tooth tiger, SABRE, sabre-tooth, TOOTHED, tooth tiger, TIGER, which have two teeth. See on this picture, this tiger have two teeth, two long teeth. K, figure K, dodo. Figure L, dinosaur, DINOSAUR, dinosaur. Figure M, Cetaceous sea cow, STELLERS, sea cow, SEACCOW, cow. And N, quagga, QUAGGA, quagga. All these animals and birds extinct now. They are not present on earth. Here some dreadful spider, means you see a spider in your home, but here we will discuss about some stranger spider which are very harmful. So some amazing varieties There are about 35,000 species of spiders. They are found everywhere except in polar region and ocean. The spider spin webs to trap insects. Some of them are dangerous as they are poisonous and can kill humans. Identify the spider by pictures and given clue. Means near about 35,000 species of spider present on earth, and some spider have very dangerous and poisonous, even kill the human being. So now discuss here one by one. First, it is the world largest spider. It is found in South America in the Brazilian coastal border. Its potential leg span is about 26 centimeter. It does not build web but lives in burrows. Means this spider is world largest spider and found in South America. And his leg span is about 26 centimeter. It's called Goliath bird eating spider. Goliath, Goliath bird, PIRD, birds eating, EATING, eating spider, SPIDER, spider. Means world largest spider is also called Goliath bird eating spider. Second, this spider can jump a distance about 60 times of its own length. It pounces on its prey and grabs it, extending its hind legs. Means this spider can jump 60 times of own length. It's called jumping spider. JUMPING, jumping spider, SPIDER, spider. Means the spider can jump distance about 60 times its own length. It's called jumping spider. Third, the world's smallest spider, which have only about 0.43 mm long. Means world's smallest spider. The height is 0.43 mm. It's called orb-web spider. ORWEB, orb-web spider, SPIDER, spider. Fourth, this spider is the world's most dangerous and poisonous spider. It is the deadliest creature as its venoms can kill people in less than 2 hours. It has big and powerful fangs which can penetrate the clothes. Its bite is ineffective to insects. Means this spider is world's dangerous spider and a very poisonous spider. It kills human being within 2 hours. So this spider name is tunnel web spider. Tunnel web spider, TUNNEL, tunnel web, WEB, web spider, 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 tunnel web spider. Question number 5. It has a red strip across its back. Its bite is very painful and dangerous if not treated promptly. Means this spider back side red strip and its bite very painful. If you cut any insect, they are very painful and dangerous. This spider name is red back spider. RED, red back, BACK, back spider, SPIDER, spider. Question number 6. This spider lives in tropical forest. It is large enough to catch its prey by force and strength. Means this spider found in tropical forest. This is called huntsman spider. HUNTS, hunts, MAN, man, spider, SPIDER, spider. 7th, female of this type of spider is larger than the male and it kills the male after mating by eating it. It is an extremely poisonous spider. Its fangs penetrate the human body and its bite may prove fatal. Means this spider is a female spider and the height of this spider is bigger than compared to the male spider, and they are it male spider. This spider is called black widow spider. BLACK, black widow, WIDO, widow spider, SPIDER, spider. 8. This spider is known as water spider. It is the only spider that lives in water throughout its life. It breathes air which is trapped in a bubble held by hair on its abdomens and leg. This spider is called water spider. Now, wildlife related multiple choice question. The first question, name of the world's smallest bird. B. Hummingbird, swifts, turkey. The answer is B. Hummingbird is the world's smallest spider. Second, which is the smallest sea turtle? Pacific ridley is the smallest sea turtle. The right answer is Pacific ridley. Question number 3, which is the biggest mammal? Blue whale is the biggest mammal, but if you ask the question which is the biggest mammal on land, then right answer is elephant. Next question 4, giant panda belongs to raccoon family. Giant panda belongs to raccoon family. Fifth, which creature can eat more than 100 times of its own weight in a day? This is called caterpillar. Caterpillar can eat more than 100 times its weight. Question number 6, which is the largest perching bird? Raven. Raven is the largest perching bird. Question 7, which bird can grow up to 2.7 inch tall? Ostrich. Ostrich birds can grow up to 2.7 inch tall. Question number 8, which fish is the fastest swimmer? Shellfish. Shellfish is the fastest swimmer fish. Question number 9, which is the smallest fish in the world, only 7.9 mm long? This bird is called the Pedocrocys progentica. Pedocrocys progentica is the smallest fish in the world. Its height is only 7.9 mm. Question number 10, which grass grow higher than a house? Bamboo. Bamboo grass grow higher than the house. Hopefully you understand extinct animal and different types of extinct animal shown in this video, and after that spider, which are very dangerous, poisonous, and some multiple choice question related to wildlife. You can understand after you see this video. So homework, you write and learn. You write on your copy and learn. Thank you.